Strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 12 nautical
Bro,
miles northwest of Bridgeport to
2024 ending in an hour, and this happens. What?
Wind gusts 34 knots or greater and small hail.
How is this possible?
Source, radar indicated.
An hour before 2025, and now this happens. More SMWs.
Locations impacted include Norwalk Islands, Bridgeport,
Bro,
New Haven Harbor,
excuse me.
Field Reef, mouth of the Housatonic River, Smithtown Bay, Harry Point, Port Jefferson Harbor, and Stratford
Dude,
Shoal.
what is happening?
Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until these storms
I don't even know what is
Wind
going
gusts
on.
34 knots or greater, small hail, high waves, lightning, and heavy rain are expected with these storms. If caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible. Keep away from ungrounded metal objects.
I have no idea, bruh.
Here is a special weather statement for the following areas in New York: Northwest Suffolk, Southwest Suffolk, Northeast Suffolk, and Southeast Suffolk. Strong thunderstorms will impact western Suffolk.
Dude.